Hello, and welcome to LSET Tech Bytes.
Today, we're diving into the world of JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA, the ultimate integrated development environment for Java, Kotlin, and more. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, IntelliJ IDEA is here to supercharge your coding experience. So, let's get started with the installation process. The first step is to visit the official JetBrains website. You can find the link in the description below. Or just go to Google page, type IntelliJ and search. Here, click on the first link that appears. It'll redirect you to the official JetBrains website. Once you're there, click on the download button for the Community or Ultimate Edition, depending on your needs. For this video, we'll be installing the Community Edition, which is free and packed with awesome features. While the download is in progress, let me quickly mention that IntelliJ IDEA supports various programming languages and frameworks, making it a versatile choice for developers across different domains. Once the download is complete, let's kick off the installation process. Locate the downloaded file and double-click to start the installation wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your installation preferences. The next step is to click the Next button. Here you can select the location for the installation. Click on the Next button. Here, you can configure your installation options, such as creating desktop shortcuts, adding path variables, creating associations, and updating the context menu. Click on Next. Click the Install button and wait a few minutes. This will take some time depending on the speed of your computer. In most cases, the installation process is straightforward. By setting up the necessary files and components, IntelliJ IDEA will have you up and running in no time. Here you can see that the installation has been completed. You will be asked to restart your computer, select that option and click on the Finish button to complete the process. Once the installation has been completed, go to the search box in your window and type IntelliJ. As you can see here, the file appears. Click on the Open button to begin using it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy coding.